What's up, Alec? I'm going good, bro. How are you? How are you, man? I need to turn this camera down. World Turtle Day. World Turtle Day, apparently. What's up, Rico? I still don't know how to say your name, bro. I'm tripping. Down a little bit like this. There we go. What's happening, guys? How are we all today? Oh god, I hate that picture of myself. Risa? What's up, Tony? Delani, Daniela, Charmy, what's up? What's up, Robert? What's up, PJ? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Morning, Mario. Got my water, got my tea. Afternoon yet? Well, evening. Evening for me. It's 8:35 p.m. Bring up Forex Factory. We'll wait for a few more people. What's up? What's up, TikTok? TikTok, don't stop. What's happening, TikTok? So, there we go. All right, how is everyone, man? How is everyone? Good morning, Joel. Yeah, no, all good, bro. All good, brother. What's up, official Princess Diana? Shit, we got Princess Diana in the TikTok chat. What's up, Toral? Mike. Morning, Joe. Cup of water. Why do you want me to say a cup of water? Cup of water. A cup of water. Caught 45 pips today from the 30-minute signal. Yeah, this one. You talking about this signal, Tony? Cup of water. You talking about this signal, bro? Yeah, this is a nice signal, man. During London Open? Yeah, it would have been this one. Still freezing? What is it? Yeah, 9 degrees right now, man. 9 degrees. So it's pretty cold, I'm not going to lie. King of Candlesticks, what's up, Luca? You can take the lad out Britain, but you can't. Good old English bruiser must. Exactly, Vast. Exactly, bro. Cup of tea, man. Like, I have one of these every night during the stream. That's what gets me through, man. How's the broker going? Black Bull? Black Bull, yeah, Black Bull is going good. I'm just trying to figure out the copy trader system. Like, I've been talking to their support and stuff like that, trying to set it up, but it's a bit confusing. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit confusing. So I'm still trying to figure that out. But once we figure that out, I should have a copy trading account set up on Black Bull, where you guys can just connect your accounts to mine, and it will take all the trades that I take potentially. That's what we're working towards, but it's not as easy as it sounds. I'm waiting for a setup. Yeah, we're gonna do some analysis in a minute. Juno, we just started the stream like 4 minutes ago, so We're just waiting for everyone to get in, and then we will do some analysis. What's up, Jack is? I'm just gonna call you Adam. I'm gonna call you Adam. What's up, Marsh? You're in a buy from 56. 56, nice, bro. Yeah, I saw that level actually. Saw that level. Where did I have that level from? I got that level from somewhere. This? It was a level here that price came into. I can't remember. It was this level. I can't remember where I got it from earlier. I can't remember where I got this level from, but I had a level here somewhere earlier. Might have been this one. I don't know. I can't remember. Might have been this. Wait, I posted it in the Discord. Let me have a look in the Discord. I just deleted all my what is this level? I just deleted all my levels so that we could redo the analysis. I can't remember where I got that level from now. But it tapped in there perfectly. It must have been this in here, surely. Yeah, it must have been that. What was it? 2360 515. 2360 2360 515. It was around here somewhere. So it mustn't have been that. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, Tony. You know Alex G, like his prop firm has got MT4 and MT5 again. Have you tried his one? Or maybe you just can't. Maybe they're just not accepting US clients. Maybe that's what it is. gbpjpy fake out 30-minute. If not, I'm moving to another country. That gold dump, yeah. I actually caught these this sell-off in here today. This candle right here. I actually caught this from the 15 with this right here. So key level in the market, boom, came up. You can see that this 15 came down and closed below, right? This 15 right here came down, closed below the key level, and then this next 15 tapped in, right? You know, I always talk about the taps. Tapped in right here, created a top wick, tapped into this level, rejected, started flipping, breaking the lows. My entry was down here, and then yeah, took that trade down into that next level, which I'm guessing, yeah, it must have been like this. I'm guessing it was either this level or yeah, it has to have been that. It has to have been that, or it was this level. I don't think it's gonna be that. Yeah, it was this one, 2360 515. Yeah. But you can see the 4 actually. Yeah, it was the 4 that rejected it. Sorry, not the hourly. Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour perfectly tapped into that level, rejected and closed back above. And now the next has come all the way up. Made a top wick. We got 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle. So now the 4 hour candle has tapped into this key level, which was the previous 4 hour low. As you can see, we're tapping in. So now what you want to see, we've got 2 hours left. Like I said, once this hourly candle closes, we've got 2 hours left of the 4 hour candle to potentially continue bearish, or price is just going to bounce from here, right? And then we have to figure out how we can, if price is going to find support here momentarily going into New York session, we need to figure out how we can then look to get in and move to the upside, right? I need to figure out need to figure out how I can get into these buys right here. You see what I'm saying? Me, like this, I have to use this terminology because of TikTok, all right? Otherwise, TikTok will ban me. Your nickname is Jack? I'll call you Jack then. But yeah, this was... I love watching your lives. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate it, Al Pacino. Let's go, my guy. But yeah, that was my entry. That was my entry. And now you can see we're back at that level, right? The entry that I took the sell from, price is now back at that level. Right now, as we are currently speaking. So we've come back to retest this level. Now what we need to see is how this hourly candle closes in 15 minutes, right? If this hourly candle closes above, then potentially you can see something similar to what happened here at this key level, right? This hourly candle closed above. The next hourly came down, tapped into that level, although it was pretty much there, but created the bottom wick, tapped in, rejected, broke the previous hourly highs, and continued bullish, right? Up into that next level. Sorry, this right here. Continued bullish back up into this level. This was about a 40-50 pip move back up into that level. So we're tapping in here again. We got, like I said, we got about 15 until this hourly closure. These 15 candles have not closed above this level. They're closing at resistance. This previous 15 broke structure right here. Okay, so you can see now bullish structure has been broken on the 15 because you got highs, lows, higher lows, higher lows. And now this 15 has come down and broke those lows. So look at the 30 actually. The 30 might be cleaner. Yeah, look at the 30-minute time frame. So we've got a 30-minute break of structure right here. Because on the 30 we have high lows, higher lows, higher lows, potentially higher lows again here. So if price is going to reject this level now, what you want to see is break of structure on the 30. Right, so you want to see one of these 30 lows being broken at this point. If we're going to see if this truly is a retest of this level to continue bearish, right? Based off the current momentum, based off the current structure. Because if you have a look at the weekly, if you have a look at the daily, right, you can, as we talked about yesterday and yesterday's streams, the weekly needed to have direction, right? We now have direction on the weekly. The weekly is obviously now bearish, pushing down. We've got previous weekly lows and we're tapping into the previous weekly open, right? So this is the key level here. This the 2360-515 level, very key level. The daily is very bearish. The daily has broke previous daily lows already. If I just mark those up, yeah, all time frames looking very bearish. All right, so now it just comes, do we continue bearish below this level, or do we have a momentary pullback for the rest of today, right? Like New York, going into New York session, because this is the previous daily lows right here. We broke it, and look what's happened, right? We've broke that level. Look at this 4-hour candle right here. It broke that key level, but we haven't come back in for taps yet, right? Haven't come back in for taps. So that could potentially be a target. If we start breaking above, obviously we have a resistance here now, right? If we start breaking above here, then there's a good chance we can potentially get a move up into these areas, right? But again, we have to validate that with closures above, which would first start with an hourly, potentially an hourly closure above here, right? So again, right now we're just waiting 12 minutes until this hourly closure, and then we can see what happens from there, right? But this would be break of structure, right? This would be break of structure currently, if price starts flipping bearish from here, based on the 30-minute time frame. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about today? I caught 110 pips from the 5-minute signal today. The 5-minute sell signal? Which one? I bet it was right here. I can't even see this signal, but I bet it was right here, because I know how this works. It was either here or it was down in here. No, it was definitely here. Let's go back. Let's see if that was it. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. The one on top, yeah. Damn, that was a 160 pip move from that sell signal. 160 pip move. And then this sell signal was a 66 pip move. This was invalid. That was invalid. That was invalid. This would have been about a 10 pip move. Break even. That is invalid as well. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, the 30 was clean as well today. The 30 minute signal. The 30-minute signal you would have got about 61, 62 pips. But look at this. This 30-minute now is coming up above this level. Yeah, I do. The world is yours. I do, bro. You'll find it on my website, my brother. The link is in my TikTok profile. But what's everyone thinking? What's everyone thinking? Seal is top student. I'm interested in your copy trade system. Yeah, John, I've got to do some work on that. So I'll let you guys know when it's available, if it's available. There's a lot that needs to be done so far. Predict 74, then 30. 74, then 30. Okay, wow. I'm feeling so good, bro. I'm looking for another trade. Nice, Seal. What's up, Seniors Club? It looks like a sell right now. I mean, we just gotta wait and see, Jack. We gotta wait and see, man. We gotta wait and see what happens with this level right now. Because again, it can do two things, right? It can either pop back up here on the 30 and the hourly in 10 minutes. That could then be a fake out for price to close back below and then start driving down. Because, you know, the range, the level is really like this whole level right here, pretty much, right? It's quite a big level of resistance, but the main source of it is down here at this level. So we'll see if this 30, we'll see what this 30 does, right? It either closes above and then closes back below as a fake out and starts driving down. It either rejects this, right? Doesn't close above, comes down and breaks structure, which would then be this level, right? You'd break structure, pull back, and then continue the sell-off. Or price is simply just going to close above this level now. And like I mentioned earlier about the 4-hour time frame, right? If we go to the 4-hour time frame, this level hasn't been validated yet, right? There's been no taps in this level. Price broke it, right? This 4-hour candle right here came down and broke this level, but it didn't come back for a retest. So this could be, it could be heading into this level, which is 2374995. And that is also the previous daily low. So the previous daily low has been broken. You potentially would like a retest of that before price could potentially continue bearish, right? So we'll just wait and see now. We'll wait and see. We've also got a 2-hour closure in 7 minutes, right? So this is going to be very key. We've got a 2-hour closure, hourly closure. If it closes above this level, then that potentially validates the move to the upside. But first of all, like us, you know, as always, you'd need a tap down, bottom week being formed before price continues bullish. Yeah, maximum. Yeah, all explanation is in. You get a manual as well. It's called the V4 manual. All the explanations, instructions are in there as well. Bro, the way you explain the charts is awesome. Key levels set chart. I appreciate that, PJ. You're buying till 2412. That's what I think. Buy and wait for confirmation. Okay, Delani. Where was that? 2412. 2412. is quite a while away. I'm not gonna lie. Can you explain PIP in 5 seconds for the beginners? PIPs is points, percentage in profit or point in profit, right? It references how much in profit or in drawdown you are. For example, the trade that I took earlier, right? This trade right here, where I took this sell. My entry was here. When this candle drove down, this was 64 pips, right? On gold right here, you can see this 643.3. You move the decimal point to the left, 64 pips, right? So that was 64 pips in profit. Dude said, I want to get poor. Please teach me trading. What took you so long? I was getting bored out here. My bad, bro. My bad, Abel. Temata, you'll find it in the link in my profile, bro. Where gold heading? We're waiting to see what's gonna happen with gold right now. Look at this 15. We got 4 minutes left. We got 4 minutes left. Durga, are you on the Owanda charts, bro? Make sure you're on the Owanda charts, bro. Make sure you're reading the V4 manual. Make sure you're reading the manual. What's up, D? Are you predicting another drop in around potentially, yeah, potentially X. We're just waiting to see how price is going to start reacting at this level now. How price is going to start closing. So we got two hourly, 1 hourly, 30, 15, all closures in about 4 minutes, right? We're going to see how it starts to react around this level. Because look at the rejection here of this level down here. Beautiful. It's bloody beautiful. And this was just a level from the weekly, right? This was the previous weekly open. It's right here, this weekly close, this weekly open. That was last week's weekly open, right? This key level. You can see price came all the way back down and tapped in 1, 2, 3. Now price is pushing bullish. Have a look at the 5 minutes. So the 5 rejected, pop back above, pop back below. All right, we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What's my bias? Owl chain. My bias right now, of course, is bearish right now, but again, it all changes, right? My bias changes by my overall bias for the next couple weeks. For the rest of May is bearish, right? I think we're going to sell off. I predicted we're going to sell off in May since the start of May. I did that video for all the Academy members, and I showed them exactly why I thought it was going to sell off during May. It took a while, but we're eventually getting there now, right? We're eventually now seeing the sell-off. Which is perfect. Played out perfectly. But it changes by the hour, right? It changes by the 30 minute, the hour, the 4 hour. It all changes. Depends how these candles close, right? I can't really predict what is exactly going to happen. I can have a bias and I can have kind of like an idea of what I'm looking at overall. But each day is different. Each hour is different. Each 4 hour is different, right? It all depends on how these candles close. So my overall bias for the rest of May, and it has been since the start of May, is for gold to turn bearish. But as of today, as of right now, we have to wait to see what's going to happen at this level. in 1 minute. Live till news? What news? What news we got? Oh, 10:30, we got unemployment claim. Shit. You see, TradingView doesn't show this shit. We got unemployment claims. Yeah, I'll stay live till unemployment claims. Why not? 10:30. That's another hour and a half. What's up, Quaid? Not blatantly, bro. Not blatantly. If you want the signals, the indicator provides the signals on my strategy. For example, this sell signal today on gold, which dropped for 61 pips. But due to the fact that I'm streaming on TikTok, they don't allow, you know, this is why I've been banned before, potentially. So I'm trying to be a good boy and not get the TikTok, you know, perma ban. So not directly, no. We break down gold from level to level or time frame to time frame. We break down it, you know, from the top to the bottom, and you take from that what you want to take from that. Good boy. All right, so we close below. So the 2 hourly close below. We've tapped back in already for this current 2 hour. Close below on the 2, close below on the hourly, of course. So now we have a new level right here that we can potentially, if, like I said, if, right, and that is a big if price is going to respect this level, right, and now create a resistance in here, what we now want to see, the next step would be a break of structure right here, right? Price coming down, breaking the structure, right? And then that would give you confirmation then that this is the resistance. Price is going to respect this resistance. Now we're going to need to break that bullish structure and start forming the structure to the downside, right? Candle close below, yeah, candle close below. I did Galactic. I did, bro. Last week I got one. Last week I got one, bro. It fucking sucked. And I know that there was a guy called, what was his name, guys? Oh, Adam, right? Adam FX. He was in here yesterday. He was asking me the same thing, bro. He was asking me the same thing. He's had his account recently banned and he's trying to figure out why. That guy is hiring, like, that guy said he was hiring a TikTok, what'd he say? Like a TikTok specialist, man, like to try and figure out why his account got banned. But I think it's just TikTok, you know, they just don't like, the whole trading, live trading kind of thing, because it, you know, I don't want to talk about it too much in case they pick up on it through the fucking algorithm somehow. But you know, it does suck, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I agree with that, D. I agree with that, bro. No, it's not, Sergi. Yeah, I read TikTok comments. Yeah, I know how you feel, Galactic. I know, bro. when it happened to me, I didn't live stream for the next like couple days, I don't think, and because I live stream on YouTube as well. So it did put a massive downer on things for a little bit. But that's why, you know, my main streaming place is YouTube. That's why I always encourage people from TikTok to come over. And I'll say it again. You guys on TikTok, a lot of live traders have been getting banned recently, right? So if you guys don't want to miss the streams, make sure you quickly come over to YouTube, leave a sub, right? Subscribe to the channel, and then you can always come back over to TikTok so you don't miss a stream, because yeah, TikTok's been putting the big ban on people recently. So come over to the YouTube, hit the sub button, and then, like I said, you can always come back over to the TikTok then if that's what you prefer. Hold it. Yeah, I made that choice. No. Why did you make that choice, Jack? What was your question, Zama? Potentially, Zama. Yeah, potentially from your question before. Sorry about that, bro. All right, D. Appreciate you, bro. Maximus, it's my one, bro. No worries, my bad, bro. You know, there's a YouTube chat going on over on my right hand side over here. So my chats are on two different screens, right? So the YouTube chat is over here on my right, like when I look this way, like this, and then the TikTok chat is over here when I look this way. So like sometimes I'll miss some comments, bro. So I apologize if I miss some comments, but Ollie, appreciate the follow on TikTok. But yeah, let's see. So let's go down. Let's go down to the 15. Let's see what's happening on the 15. So we got the 5 that's trying to close back above again. Now I can't do that, D. It's not good for TikTok, bro. It's not good, bro. So we've got a potential 15 closure above in about 8 minutes. Starting to drive a little bit here. So again, now we need to see validation, right? Because if the 15 closes above, right? If the 15 closes above here, it's either going to do two things. It's going to close above and do a fake out and close straight back below and then start driving. Or it's going to close above, come down and tap, and that's what we want to see, right? If it does close above, come down and tap, and reject and stay with this level, continue. That's a good point. That's a good sign that price is then going to continue bullish, right? But these are the things you're looking for validation now, right? These levels to be respected. So we've got 22 minutes on the 30, so at any minute this 30 could also flip back bearish and reject this level, right? Start driving to the downside. But as of right now, I'm thinking from the 4-hour perspective, we could potentially come back up into you know, these areas, this key level right here to retest in here. And I'll keep repeating the same thing so that you guys understand what's happening, right? So the 4-hour, you can see the 4-hour right here. This 4-hour candle ripped down, closed below this key level, right? And we haven't had taps yet. You guys know how I feel about taps. So either we come back and tap into this level today, or at some point during the week or next week, we're going to definitely come back and tap in this level. We need taps. We need taps. Look at the hourly now, right? The hourly is only 9 minutes in, and it's already created the bottom wick, and it's broke previous hourly highs, and is pushing bullish. So Let's see. If we start closing above this level, then that's going to give confirmations of a potential retest back in this level up here, right? I'm quite new to trading, so I'm learning a lot, especially from how you do your analysis. Let's go, Riso. My God, it's Riso. Bum 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 baram bum baram. Yeah, D, I can't do that, bro. I can't do that because of the TikTok. Santish, Yanis, appreciate the follows. White Fundung, that's my indicator, bro. You'll find it on my website. The link is in my TikTok profile. What could be Ava? The next level up would be up here. The next level would be 2374995. Maximus, appreciate the follow on. We got, is that two different Maximuses? We got one in the YouTube. No, that's maximum. Okay. We got maximum in the YouTube and Maximus in the TikTok. How'd you know about that? How do I know about what? Oh, here's Viraj again. How are you, Viraj? I remember your comments yesterday, brother. How are you feeling today? You feeling good? Wolf, appreciate the follow. Age loss, appreciate the follow. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Knighted. I appreciate those comments, Riso. Oh, you're in a good mood today, Viraj. That's good, man. Mr. Bones, appreciate the follow. Do you think the different time frames really have Yeah, of course, Dylan. Of course, Dylan. Of course, Dylan. All right, we've got 3 minutes left of this 15. Let's see how this 15 closes. How long have we been trading for? 7 years. Ramesh, appreciate the follow. Moses, appreciate the follow. Got a feeling. Oh, that's a crazy feeling, X. You got a feeling it's gonna plummet to around blah 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 by 2 p.m. Why 2 p.m.? Why 2 p.m. British time? DC, appreciate the follow. Knighted, appreciate the follow. Apex, Kubus, Viraj. Oh, Viraj, you're following as well now. My God, appreciate the follow, man. Anna, thank you for the follow. So sticking to one time frame isn't a good idea. Not necessarily, no. I mean, other people are gonna disagree with that. Some people will agree, some people won't agree. But personally, I don't think sticking to one time frame is gonna be beneficial. Yo, Noob Master, appreciate this sub on YouTube. Thank you, my guy. Yeah, Ramesh, gold. No, I'm not, Henry, not right now. We're waiting to see what happens with this level right here, with confirmations at this level. Yeah, I do, baby. The link in my TikTok profile. You'll find it in the link. Damn, Ramesh. Talk about why you thought gold would crash in May. All right, I'll do it after this 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute. Yeah, I do, baby. I do. Stefan, appreciate the follow. All right, we got 40 seconds. Pick up that and DJ. Yeah, I'll do GJ as well. Good idea, Maximum. Good idea. All right, we'll look at GJ in a second as well, guys. gbpjpy. Guys on TikTok, if you don't want to miss out on the streams, come over to the YouTube channel, Forex with Cody. Hit the subscribe button. That way you never miss a stream if we go missing on TikTok. And then you can come back over to the TikTok and watch the live from there. But make sure you come hit the sub on the YouTube channel. Just in case we get hit with the BAN on TikTok. The BAN. The big bad BAN. Alright, so there we go. The 15's closed above. The 15 has closed above. No, I'm going to turn off the signals just in case TikTok doesn't like that. Alright. So now, where is the 15 going to come into? It's tapped into that previous 15 high right here. Yo, Nova Fitness, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. What's up, Wayne? Those previous 2-hour highs are in there. Yeah, we've closed above those previous 2-hour highs. We've come down for taps. Yo, Dave loves tech. Appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go, Dave. I think, yeah, what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking of now, though, is we need taps into here, first of all. That's what I want to see, first of all. So if this 15 can come down and tap in, then that would set up for the 30 closure above, right? The 30-minute closure above. Because I'm not convinced by this current 15 bullish candle. I'm not convinced. I want to see it come back into here before we see the move up. So I want to see it come in here first of all before we see the move up. All good of work till 2, so got into some trading, so hard not to be on the charts at the moment. MS to the left? What's MS? All this from TikTok. Let's go, your boy. What's up, your boy? All right, so let's have a look. While this is playing out, while we get taps down into here, right? We're waiting for taps down into 2, 3, 6, 6, 8, 1, 5. A market structure shift. Okay. What's up, trading with Bless? So let's have a look why I thought that gold would sell off for May. All right. And I've showed this to you guys a couple times before, and you guys have asked for this in the chat. So why I thought gold would sell off for May is because of April's wick, right? And again, if we take a look back at previous price action, right? Again, I've talked about this a couple times with you guys, but every time you see a strong wick to the upside, right? Price generally likes to sell off, right? And that's exactly what we got over here during April. Not only that, right? If we take a look at this candle, where is it? This candle right here. This candle right here. This bullish candle came up on the monthly time frame, right? created a bullish top wick and closed with a strong rejection and a short bullish candle. Then the next candle after it, right, came up, spiked out of the highs, okay, right here, spiked out of the highs. Let me zoom in. Spiked out the highs and flipped bearish and started driving and broke the previous monthly lows, okay? Now, if we fast forward until right now, we have the strong monthly bullish wick, right? Then we have the next candle come up and spike out, exactly the same, right? But not only that, look when this was. Last year in 2023, this was April. The bullish candle was April. The bearish candle was May. Now look where we are right now. The bullish candle was April. The potential bearish candle is May. Is price repeating itself over and over again? Right? This was May. This was April. This was May. Right? And the exact same thing has happened again. The exact same thing. At the exact same time. Right? So that is one of the main reasons why I'm anticipating why I anticipated May to sell off, right? Especially when we got the drive out of the highs, the wick out, and now we're selling off. It's playing out the exact same way again. So we've only got about 8 days left. So if this is actually going to happen, if we are going to see a bearish closure for May over here, what we are currently seeing now, it's going to have to start selling off soon, right? And we can see the current weekly candle is flipped bearish. If we go and have a look over here, we spiked out. It spiked out at the start of May here, right? The last time this happened, it spiked out right at the start of May, and then for the rest of May, it sold off. Whereas we've only just spiked out now towards the end of May. We only have 8 days left, so let's see. But that's why I anticipated that May is going to be bearish, right? And we can get that sell-off. And I actually did enter. I entered a sell up in these areas somewhere, but it got taken out at break even. Price dropped down about like 60 or so pips into profit, and then it came back up and hit my break even. But that is why. That's why I anticipated gold to sell off for May, just based on the monthly time frame. Nice analysis. Appreciate you, Flat. See you later, John. Good night, bro. So yeah, let's see. So here's now the 15, right? Like I said, I wasn't convinced that this 15 is going to continue bullish because we need taps down into this area, right? 2366815. But then on the flip side of that, I also said we need to make sure that this isn't going to be a fake out. This 15 can close above, and then the next 15 can just close straight back below, and then you can get the taps back up and then the drive the south to the downside. But we do need break of structure first on, say, the 30-minute, the hourly, something like that. Right, we got 7 minutes until a 30-minute closure. Let's see if we can get taps. Because remember, I also said, right, this area is quite a huge area. It's not just this line right here. So this is why you can validate it potentially with a fake out, right? The closure above and then the closure straight back below. So right now, basically what I'm trying to say is I'm just waiting for the market to decide on what it wants to do, right? We can go either way right now. Tippity tap. Yo, appreciate all the follows, man. Holy shit. Llama, Rue, Opan, FBI. If we mix price action with order blocks and engulfing, I mean, it's also price action, right, Zama? Because it's all based off candles, order blocks and engulfing candles. it's still all price action because it's literally just about candles. Hello, Rue. How are you? Cody, what is the strategy using? Price action, bro. Price action. What is it? CPAC. CPAC is the strategy. Oh yeah, let's look at GJ. We got about 5 minutes until this 30 closure. Let's have a quick look at GJ. Let's have a quick look at GJ. This was my analysis on it that I sent out earlier. But what I've failed to see was that, I mean, this has just been an awful week for GJ. There's not really been much I've been able to do with this. GJ looks like gold yesterday, right? Look at this consolidation. This looks awful. But the reason being is we've had pound inflation yesterday, and then there's yen inflation tomorrow. So Ume, I answered your question, bro. I said price action. Price action, my brother. Price action. CPAC. Cody's price action concepts. Nah, you're good, bro. No worries. No worries, Ume. Yo, Oat NK, appreciate the sub. So, I mean, look at the 4-hour time frame as well. I mean, there's not much I can really do with this kind of price action right now, you know? Like, it's just, yeah. At this point, GJ is just waiting for yen inflation, I would say. What's the daily look like? I mean, in terms of the daily, at any point, you know, the daily could flip bullish to align with the current. What the fuck is that? To align with the current daily structure, right? Being bullish, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, potential high lows in here, and a continuation to the upside. But that would have to be validated with like a nice clean closure, potentially on the 4. So we've got about an hour 30 left of this 4-hour candle. If the 4-hour candle can come up and start, you know, close above 199546, then there's potential for continuation above this level. But I wouldn't be holding my breath with anything on GJ right now. It just looks awful. It looks awful, Braz. What's Euro USD doing this week? What is Euro USD doing this week? Did it come down and tap? It did come down and tap. Very nice. That's those. It spiked out the previous monthly highs. Spiked out the previous monthly highs. Come down and retested that previous weekly high right there. I mean, look at that. Absolute precision in there. Now we're tracing all the way back up into these daily lows, previous daily lows. Do we break below the current daily lows at this point? What's up, Tim? I only trade gold, but I do some analysis for people in the chat and people in the Telegram and things like that. So, yeah, but mainly I trade gold, bro. Let's come back up in here for taps. So I guess on Euro USD, what you're looking for now in about an hour 30 is this 4-hour closure above. Because at this point, obviously, it's bearish. But it has tapped into this key level now in this uptrend, right? So this could just be like a retest of this key level. Price has tapped in here, right? And now it wants to continue back up into, you know, like these levels. But now it is at a current level of resistance. If we have a look here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see like over from here as well, you see like this kind of level in the market where price is finding a bit of resistance, right? So if this 4 closes above in about an hour 30, again, then what you'd want to see is a tap back down into 1.08427, right? A tap back down, and then you'll be looking for a continuation back up above the current 4-hour highs, or potentially like this level in here. And if it closes below, right, then you can down to lower time frames and potentially look to capture the trade back down potentially. But you'd have to wait for 4-hour confirmation at this point on Euro USD, which is in an hour 30. What's gold doing? So we had the 30 closure above here. We had the 30 closure above. So now, again, what did the 15? What did that 15 end up doing? That 15 didn't end up really doing anything. We've tapped into those previous two. Tapped into those previous 2 highs right there. Hourly, 30. Yeah, I mean, at this point, yeah, I'll just be waiting for price to come back. We need price to come back into this level now. We need price to come back into this level before we validate anything. What's up, Mace? Appreciate the diamonds. Thank you guys for the diamonds. Unemployment claims. Yeah, we got unemployment claims in an hour. Your indicator, Pesan, you'll find that in my you'll find that in on my website, bro. The link is in my profile. Trachope, appreciate the follow. May RTC Tata, appreciate the follows. You guys are going crazy with the follows right now. This is XAU USD. XAU USD. Still the same levels. Levels. What you talking about yesterday, Hallis? Time frame. This is the 30-minute, Bradley. Mapping XAU. So yeah, mapping it out. Mapping it out, bro. Mapping it out, brother. Yo, guys. Today I recorded. Today I recorded a 52-minute video. A 52-minute video. Of the trade that I took, which is going to be uploaded somewhere. We're still waiting for gold to tap in. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Pretty much. The problem is right now, right? If this was, the problem is right now is the fact that overall price is bearish, right? It's sold off heavily, and we're getting this momentary pullback, right? This doesn't mean that, you know, buys are going to be in anywhere, right? We're getting a momentary pullback, and we're trying to validate whether this pullback is going to come back up into these levels, which I believe it can, right? 2374995, because we broke this level and we came in for we need to come in for taps. But we just need to validate that this just isn't going to be a top wick for the 4-hour candle, and at any minute it can just start rejecting and coming back down and flipping bearish, right? Because if you look at the 4-hour time frame, it's very bearish. We got, you know, all lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so the problem is right now is that price is pushing bullish, pulling back bullish, in an overall downtrend, right? So we just have to be very careful about what we're doing right now, right? So we need to validate things properly, and validation comes with taps, with retests, taps of key levels to reject and give you the momentum back to the upside. So that's what we're waiting for right now. Yo, Percy, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Appreciate the sub, because the more, like, as always, guys, the more that this level doesn't get tapped, right? The more that we can just, price is just going to start messing around, potentially, right? Consolidating until this level gets tapped, and then we can see the move to the upside. So what minute? This is the 30-minute. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, Corey, TradingView. Yo, Ling, D-Dow, appreciate the follows. You, Adam, and Snipe all have TikTok headwinds. What do you mean, Mitesh? Headwinds? Minute 15. You have Telegram yet? You'll find the Telegram link in my TikTok profile. Risk of getting banned all at the same time. Yeah, I know, bro. Does that say anything? Are you saying that it's saying that potentially on your screen, or are you just saying because we've all recently been banned? I'm in Australia as well, Corey. Melbourne, bro. Leon, appreciate the follow. Giga, appreciate the follows. Yeah, it sucks, man. It sucks, Mitesh. The link is not working. Should be working. Check 4 hour. What's up, Omar? You from Melbourne too, Abs? Nice, man. Queen Boss Babe, that, yeah. Get him to message me. What's up, Mickey? I'm good, bro. How are you? Where am I from? I'm from Hacker. What do you mean, Hacker? I'm from England originally, bro. But I'm living in Australia right now. What's up, Philly T? Program PineScript and MQL5. Yeah, get him to message me. Many spams? What? You got a lot of people messaging you? A lot of fake accounts messaging you, or what? All right, here we go. We're coming back down for taps now. Here we go. What's up, Mickey? What am I ignoring, bro? Sorry, man. There's a lot of messages coming through. Oh, really, X? Did you report them, bro? Make sure you're not reporting my account. Obviously, I would never message you first, right? I will never message you first. So if there's people pretending to be, if there's people saying that they're me, messaging you, just know that that's not me, okay? I would never message any of you guys first. Just remember that, all right? But guys, there's a lot of traders being banned on TikTok right now. So if you guys don't want to miss the streams, make sure you come over to the YouTube channel, sub to the YouTube channel so you don't miss a stream if we get banned, and then you can come back over to the TikTok. They message you too? Yeah, I will never message you, right? I would never ever message any of you guys. Unless I'm going to tell you I'm going to do it on the stream or something, I would never message you. That's not me, Zadik. That is not me, Zadik. It's Forex with Cody. YouTube is Forex with Cody. If you guys want to sub real quick. That way you guys won't miss a stream if we do get banned on TikTok, because like I said, a lot of traders have been getting banned on TikTok recently. It sucks, man. They need to sort it out. Yeah, the Telegram link will be in the Telegram link will be in the link in my profile. Trung and fuck nobody. Jupiter, appreciate the follows. Duncan, appreciate the follow. Big Bird, appreciate the follow. What's up, Coach Crypto? You subscribed? Nice, Mickey. Let's go. Ain't no party like a YouTube party. Exactly. All right. Will we get taps? We've got 18 minutes left here of this 30-minute. Can we get taps in 2366815? Come on. Zadik, if you got scam, bro, send me the proof. Send me the proof on TikTok, and I'll see what I can do about it. But yeah, that's not me, bro. I would never message you asking you guys for money, ever. All right, come on. Come on, go. Let's go. So this gets interesting now, right? Because now we have an hourly closure in 17 minutes, right? So if this 30 comes down and starts tapping in here, right? 2366815, this hourly could then potentially close back below this level again, right? If that happens. And if you get an hourly closure back below this level, then we got new levels right here, right? Close to this resistance, which will be break of structure on the hourly, which then could give potential indication of that sell continuation, the downside. So let's see, can we get taps? Can we get taps? Do you guys think we're going to tap into 2366815? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Where did I learn? I learned myself, Steel. No, you don't think so? Yes, you think so? Bearish? Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. Monjang, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. You don't think so, Halis? What's up, Zero? Sorry, bro, I didn't see your message. What's up, man? All right, 5 minutes hot wick has been formed. Can it drive to the downside? Give me a tap into 2366815. Give me the tap. Give it to me. Yeah, overall, I'm the same, Brooke. Overall, based on the higher time frames, overall based on the higher time frames, yeah, I'm bearish as well. Here from TikTok, let's go, Ethan. Give it to him. Give it to me. Hesh, appreciate the sub. Let's go, let's go. Hesh Sport channel and Hesh 3 channel. Oh no, we got Kun Kema Sport and then Hesh 3 channel. Appreciate the subs, guys. Thank you very much. All right, there we go. There's the tap. Right, so now we have the tap. Doesn't mean that, you know, tapping into this level, we're going to tap in and flip bullish. We just need that tap, right, to see now what's going to happen, right? Because now we got, right, the 30s come all the way down at this point. We got 14 minutes until the 30 and hourly closure, right? And how that would look on the hourly would reject, right? The hourly could potentially reject. Flip bearish. We got break of structure levels down here on the 30. No, we got break of structure levels here now. Beautiful. We got 30 break of structure levels right here. All right, so that would be a 30 closure back below. And a break of structure potentially, right? But we've got taps now because look at the 15. The 15 broke this level. Okay, the 15 broke. Come back down for the tap and retest. So this could be the tap and retest. As long as it doesn't break these 30 lows right here, or even if it does, right, it could spike out the 30 lows and drive up. Oh, what just happened? So now we've tapped. This 15 could still reject here, right? This 15 could still reject and start flipping back bullish, right? So you can do two things right now. We're still not in the clear. We're still not in the clear. If this 30 gets broken, okay, there's the 30 broken. So now that means 30-minute break of structure. So now we need to wait for the 30, right? Now we need to wait for this hourly closure now. So now we broke structure to the downside. And I would say at this point, now, the bullish move potentially, is this 15? The bullish move potentially, we broke out those 30-minute lows, or we spiked out anyway. Broke that structure. The 15 is tapped in. And the 1. So you can use it for scalping, bunnies. You can. 15 no top wick, yeah. I mean, it has a slight top wick, very small though. But now my thoughts at this point are, is this going to be, you know, we've tapped into this level now, right? As like I wanted, right? We've tapped in, we broke this level, we've come back down for the tap. So either this 15 rejects this level any minute now, right? The 15 rejects this level and starts pushing back up, starts driving up, which would then give us an hourly closure above, which would then, we would need the hourly closure above, right, to come down and tap in before continuing bullish, right? Or we're going to break this level, right? We're going to close below. We broke those 30-minute lows, right? Broke structure on the 30-minute, closure below, a tap back in, and then a drive to the downside. So again, now we just need to wait for this hourly to see how this hourly is going to close. It's all going to be in this hourly candle. Broke previous structure from the bear run. Bulls can actually come in now. What structure are you looking at, Ethan? What did you say? What previous structure are you talking about? Nice, Ethan. Shady, appreciate the follow. James, appreciate the follow. Billionaire, appreciate the follow. So again, that 15. The fact that we broke out those 30-minute lows now, like, again, just puts me on the fence. If this 15 spiked down into this level and didn't break that 30 low and started driving back up, then I'll be more confident with the continuation buys, right? But now price has spiked out of those 30-minute lows and has broke structure. It could have either just grabbed liquidity underneath here, right? Or it actually has broke structure and now it's going to come down and close below here, tap in and drive down, right? We just have to wait and see. It all comes in the hourly now. It all comes in this hourly candle. What's going to happen if this hourly candle closes bullish and closes above this resistance or this support? Then again, then on the hourly, you're looking for the tap in and the continuation. If it closes below, right, we then have 30-minute break of structure. You're waiting for the close below, the tap in back into these levels and the drive to the downside. So let's wait and see. We've got 9 minutes. The last big bear candle was broken. They're talking about this one. What's up, Jester? No worries, bro. What pair? This is XAUUSD. Appreciate all the diamonds on TikTok, man. Thank you, guys. Just Sulla, Dardan, appreciate the follows. What pair? This is XAUUSD. Cody dropping gems every day. Let's go B. What's up, B? Phaeton, Nurge, Ad, Harper, appreciate the follows. Ishi, Laj, Safe, appreciate the follows. Guys, if you want to, guys on the TikTok, if you want to make sure you never miss a stream, we are live on YouTube as well. Head over to the YouTube channel, hit that sub button, and then you can come back over to TikTok because a lot of traders have been getting banned recently on TikTok. So just in case, if you don't want to miss a stream, come over to the YouTube, hit the sub, and then you can come back over to the TikTok. No stress. All right, no stress. When did I start? About 8 years ago, 7-8 years ago, John. Where's the music on? What about unemployment? Yeah, unemployment is coming out in about half an hour, guys. NY Open is also in 9 minutes, yeah. 8 minutes, 8-9 minutes, yeah. Ethan, I wouldn't say that's bearish structure broken because that's just an hourly candle. I would say for bearish structure to be broken, Ethan, it needs to break above these 4-hour highs. Then that would give me validation of the current bearish structure being broken momentarily. What's up, Hazdi? Appreciate the sub. How will the news in 30 minutes affect gold? We'll have to wait and see. I mean, we'll have to wait and see, man. Obviously, it's going to bring a lot of volume into the market. You know, we can't really predict exactly what it's going to do, but they're predicting it to decrease, right, from 222 to 220. So if that is correct, if it does decrease and the actual numbers are, you know, less than the 220, then that's going to be good dollar. That's going to be good for the dollar, which means gold would continue bearish, right? If it is more, if the unemployment claims are more than 220, then that's going to be bad, because obviously the more unemployment claims there is, that's bad for the economy. That means more people are unemployed, and you'd see gold start driving to the upside. So look at this hourly now. See that 30-minute break of structure? This is very key. This is why we just have to be patient. and validate these moves with closures, right? Just sub to my YouTube. Let's go, Steven. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Yo, T-Sweet Tang, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go, my guy. Guys on YouTube as well, make sure you drop a like on the live stream for me. I appreciate that. Is unemployment claims a restricted event for FTMO? I have no idea, Ethan. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea, bro. I've never traded like a funded account, so you'd have to check that. Does anyone know in the chats if unemployment claims is a restricted event for FTMO? Does anybody know? What's up, K-Car? Greetings for the Pearl of Africa. What's up, Babalanda? No, it's not. Red folder news is a no-no. Yeah, exactly. FTMO has this restrict. Yeah, apparently it's restricted, Ethan. Most people are saying it's restricted. We have Nigerians here. There's a lot of Nigerians in the chat. How many people in the chat are from Nigeria? What's the name of the buy syndicate? It's called Forex with Cody Algo 4. And you'll find the link in my profile. Nigeria. See, we got a few people. Alright, we've got 4 minutes until this hourly closure. Nigeria, Kazakhstan. I'm from Nigeria. Helen in the YouTube's from Nigeria. We got a few people from South Africa in here. A few people from Kazakhstan, Ethiopia, Italia, Ecuador, Tanzania, Morocco. Yeah, see, we got quite a few Nigerians in the chat, man. Latvia, Namibia. Yes, for the normal account. If swing account, it's okay. All right, so thanks, bro. Learn a lot from you. Let's go, Ray Daddy. Appreciate you, bro. South Africa, Nigeria, Tonga. Actually, we got people from Tonga in here. Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Finland, Wales, Chile. What's up, Hamano? I'm from Singapore, mate. Nice to meet you. What's up, Piercy? Ghana, Thailand. Many clout traders on social. You're an OG. Appreciate you, Ethan. Lagos, Nigeria. See, we got... There's a lot of people in the chat from Nigeria, man. It's not allowing me to spell Wales in Welsh. Oh, really? Bali, Ethiopia. I'm from your hometown. What? Birmingham. Netherlands. Ghana. Guam. UK. See, there's your question answered, William. There's your question answered, bro. Yes, there's people from Bangladesh, Kenya, Myanmar, Tanzania, Egypt, Kenya. We've got a few people from Kenya in here as well. Brazil, South Africa, Poland, Kurdistan. Jay from IMO state, Nigeria. What does that mean, Jay? IMO state. Manchester. Are you from Manchester, Wayne? What side of Manchester are you from, bro? The blue or red? Switzerland, Florida, Bali. Got a few people from Bali in the house as well. UK to Cyprus, South Africa. You from the blue side of Manchester. Nice. Githuri? What's Githuri? Is that country or is that a... Portugal, nice. Oh, really, Wayne? Shit, man, that's insane. Champions, yeah, bro. Champions again. It's getting boring at this point. Not for you, I suppose, but for everybody else. South Africa. Got a lot of South Africans in the house as well. It's a state in Nigeria like Lagos. Abuja. Oh, okay. Yeah, looks like we're going to get the closure above in 10 seconds. So now, my friends, you want the hourly, again, to come down into these areas and tap first before we start moving back to the upside. Because now we've broke this level, you need the taps. Come on. Come down into 2366815. 2366815. Come on. It has got that previous hourly high here. But I want to see a deeper tap. Come on. Come on. Appreciate the diamonds, guys. Let's go. Kenya. Nigeria. Tanzania. The Premier League is bored. Zimbabwe. Ghana. NY Open. Yeah, this is NY Open as well. So if price is going to come down and dip into here, it should have enough volume to do this, right? Come down, tap in, and then start driving to the upside. I think it's going to the 4-hour supply before retracing. When Hallis. I'm guessing today potentially can come back into this level before we see any retracements. As of right now, right? But again, if these candles start coming down and start closing below these areas, right, then again my bias is gonna flip back bearish, right? But as of right now, we're closing above key levels, respecting structure. I just want to see, I would really like to see a tap down here first before price starts driving. But it has tapped that previous hourly high right there, so we've closed above it, tapped it. I would prefer, yeah, I'd prefer a tap into here myself before you see the move to the upside. If it happens, right? If it happens, because look at the 4-hour has got 57 minutes left, and the 4-hour time frame is bearish, right? The previous 4-hour candle was bearish. All the structure on the 4-hour time frame is bearish. We have lower highs and lower lows coming in all the way down here, right? So the structure on the 4-hour time frame is still very much bearish. So at any minute, this current 4-hour candle could just start rejecting and flip back bearish, right? It can. That's why you need taps. That's why I'm waiting for taps at this level. You want to see taps in here first of all, right? You want to see rejection here first of all to validate that price is okay. We broke above, we've tapped it, it's rejected it. Then we come up and break the highs over here, and then continue bullish back up into these levels. But that would only be validated by tapping in here first. But again, another thing to add, right? Another thing to add. Unemployment claims in like 30 minutes. So red folder news at this point, price can just start to do anything, right? You could start to see a lot of volume in the chart. It could start driving all the way down, start driving all the way up. When you have red folder news events, price action, you know, you can't really rely too much on price action. in my opinion. I mean, look at this 8-hour time frame, right? Look at this 8-hour. Do you think this 8-hour is going to reject all the way back up and potentially close bullish in the next 55 minutes? Or is there a chance that it can continue back bearish and start closing down back in these areas to close somewhat a decent bearish candle? Look at the 12-hour, right? 12-hour structure as well. Lower highs, lower lows. This can just be a potential 12-hour top wick in order for price to start driving down again, right? Breaking the previous 12-hour lows and continuing bearish down into the next level, which would be over here. What did you say, Jack? Could I look for a sell because of the 4-hour candle? Okay. What about unemployment claims? Yeah, unemployment claims. Deep Thought, Ordney, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Technical means nothing when there's red folder news. Yeah, exactly. Halis, that's up to you, bro. If that's part of your trading plan, if part of your trading plan is not being in trades when there's news, then yeah. Ahmad, I wouldn't recommend trading news, bro, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend it, bro. Yak. I would say no, bro. I would say no. Unless it's like a demo account and you're just doing it for a bit of fun, then I would say no. Because you just, yeah, basically, you might as well just go to the casino, right? David, if your analysis is bearish, bro, then stick to the bearish bias, bro. Tui, Sak. Paul, appreciate the follows. Zale, appreciate the follow. Let's go. JL, appreciate the sub on YouTube. What's up, MF? How are you, bro? What's up, MF? You're still here, bro? Sending the smiles in the chat. I appreciate you, my brother. I appreciate you, my brother. So the 15 give taps, the 30 give taps. Now we need the hourly to give taps. But I mean, the lower time frames have to give taps already. So it could, I mean, look at the 5-minute as well. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Look at this rejection in here. I just wanted the hourly to come down and give the taps, but what's up, Tommy? Tommy! John from SA. What's up, John? Mr. Tokyo Jams. Farid, appreciate the follows. What do you want, taps? I want taps to confirm the breakout of this level on the hourly, right? If you have a look at the 30 has broke it. The 30-minute candle right here broke it and tapped in, rejected, validated the break above. The 15 has also broke it right here and tapped it right here and rejected, right, and validated this break and retest to continue bullish. But now I just wanted the hourly to tap in, right? I still think it can. We're still floating around like the open area right here, which means this hourly candle is indecisive. Potentially, of course, as well, because of unemployment claims coming up in about 22 minutes. So in order for this to be a breakout of this key level, right, this hourly candle, you would want this to come down and tap, validate it to continue bullish. And that's why we haven't seen these low. That's why we haven't seen the 30 or the 15 really start to take off yet, because we need those taps. The 15 looks clean. The 15 does look clean, I'm not gonna lie. 15 looks clean. Yeah, potentially you will, Magi, because of the slippage, bro. Because of the very high spread, there's a good chance you're gonna get slipped. No one Ronaldo fan here. I'm a Ronaldo fan. Which one? R9 or CR7? Probably R9, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That was the era where I grew up. R9 is, I mean, both of them really. Ronaldo and R9 were like kind of my era of football, but I'll have to go with R9, bro, for sure. Yeah, Tim, exactly. The taps just validate, bro. That's it. The taps just validate your idea that price has broke above this key level that you have in the market. It's come down and retested it, or tapped it, as I like to call it. It's come down and tapped back in, which gives it then the validation to continue bullish if it then breaks the previous heights, right? Aguero? I mean, you would say that as a Man City fan. Company? Bro, if you're gonna name a Man City player, you gotta name Kevin De Bruyne, man. There's no better Man City player than that. So how do you decide where the tap has to happen to continue bullish again? Just finding key levels, Steve. Man, you better win on Saturday. Oh, is this the what is it? The FA Cup? Is it the FA Cup final? Bow down to Messi, everyone. Go. 45 tier has also broke it. The 45-minute time frame. How much we go upside and get a trade? Game over. You've got 500 on it? Damn. FA Cup final, yeah? I have to watch that. What's up, Ahmad? Ahmad is in the TikTok chat. You guys better beware. The mod is in the chat. Don't be saying anything stupid or he will ban your ass. Not me, Zero. Who? McKee Gaming. Yeah, he's basically just give his money away. He's basically just handed his money over to the betting website. He's just give him a nice payday. Explain, we enter above the highs after the tap. Or at the lowest of the tap. I mean, if getting the lowest of the tap is hard, Tim. Like, how do I know where the lowest of the tap is going to be unless you just enter on the tap in anticipation that price is going to continue bullish and getting your entries here, right? But that's hard because it can come down and drive all the way down in here and look for taps before continuing bullish. So then would come the question, like, where would you put your stop loss, right? If you're entering on the tap, like, do you put your stops all the way down here to be safe, right? Which is going to be like a negative risk to reward at that point. Or, you know, below the previous hourly lows or what? Like, there's a lot that goes into that then. So that's why I just like to enter on the break of the highs, because then that gives clear entry, clear stop loss, right? Below this level, below the previous hourly low. Because with that idea, if prices come down and tapped in this area, right? And then come up and broke the highs, then it has made the low, right? And then it is making new highs. So price at that point technically shouldn't come back down. It obviously can, but once it's made a low and then broke the previous highs, technically it shouldn't come back down now. It should continue driving and making a new higher high, right? If you're thinking about you know, simple price action, simple, you know, structure. So that's why I like to use the previous highs as entries, as long as you get the taps in. It didn't break, no. So yeah, it wouldn't be entries on the break of this high yet, because this hourly candle hasn't come down and tapped into this level where I want it to tap into, right? Which is 2366815. And the longer it takes to do that, you know, the closer we get to this next 4-hour closure, which then is just going to be a different story. It's going to be a different picture. Gifting people, my backup is level 48. What's up, God of Thunder? What's up, bro? How are you, brother? Level 44, what does that mean? Spent over 100k? On gifts? Damn, bro. This guy's crazy. Means you spent over 200k on TikTok? Holy shit, bro. Why, brother? Why? Do you just love bringing joy to people's life? Insane. Appreciate your explanation, fella. No worries, Tim. Surely not 500 on United to win. That's just throwing away money. Put it on gold, yeah. Anyone watch Indian Cricket League? IPL? Does anyone watch the IPL? Oh my god, it came close again. It came within a pip. Haaland? Yeah, I mean, obviously Haaland is a mention, but he's only been here for one season at this point, like 1 or 2 seasons, so he's not really, I wouldn't necessarily call him a legend at this point. Will make sense now. I entered at the close of the 15 and sat in drawdown since. Oh, damn, son. Yeah, if Haaland, Fodder, Foden plays, Bayern, and Kevin plays, never then. It's my team, bro, and it's a funny friend bet. Oh, okay. Yeah, so the longer this hourly takes to tap in, right, the closer we get to this next 4-hour closure then. And if this 4-hour candle obviously closes bullish, then that's going to be interesting, right? Because that then gives the next 4-hour candle, the New York 4-hour candle, the chance to continue bullish, right? But for this 4-hour candle to continue bullish, if we close above this level, 2366815, then yeah, would need a tap back into this level, right? So you'd want then the next 4-hour candle to come back and tap in and then start driving up, and then you can start looking at bullish entries to the upside. But it really wants to give a tap in here, right? You guys can obviously see that at this point. Like, it's trying to push bullish, but there's no volume, nothing's happening. So it just needs to tap into this level now. Moderator pinned a comment. I can't see these pinned comments. I can't see these pinned comments on TikTok, man. I don't know how to see them, bro. Go on my phone? Alright. Yo, we're almost at 11k followers, boys. Sheesh. Everyone hit that follow button real quick. Oh, you're pinning your own comments. You're pinning your own comments, Ahmad. So did you use TradingView to enter trades or use... yeah, so I use TradingView for analysis, right? To do analysis, and then I use my broker to enter the trades. All right, let's have a look. Yeah, it's not letting me watch it on my phone. I don't know why it does this. Maybe because I'm live on TikTok Studio, but I can't. Whenever I try and watch the live from my phone, it just says couldn't watch live videos on this device because you're live on another device. So like, what do you want me to do, man? Like, I'm trying to look at the comments and shit. Give me a break. Give me a break. I don't have another account, Ahmad. Your moderator is falsely muting people from the live. I never said anything negative. Why are you muting TP? Are you muting TP, Ahmad? He said he didn't TP. Oh, you switched accounts? Who's muting people? Someone was begging to send him money. Well, yeah, if you're asking people for money or something, then obviously he's gonna mute you. All right, can we finally get a tap in? Come on. I wasn't setting stop losses and lost a lot. Had about 25 winning trades in a row before losing all pretty much. Damn, Archie. Why wasn't you setting stop losses? Hope it goes down. If not, hope it goes down. If not, IF you. What do you mean premium? I don't know if the news is gonna be positive or negative, Halis. If I knew that, bro, I'd be a billionaire. Oh, he was making a joke with the God of Thunder. I mean, yeah. People ask for money to trade. Has the highest brown accounts. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny in the TikTok. I'm just like sitting back with my popcorn right now. At this point, guys, you know, gold is waiting for USD unemployment claims now, right? We got 6 minutes left at this point. It's not doing anything. It's consolidating, right? So it's waiting for news now. It's waiting for news. Gold is waiting for news. TikTok is just so toxic. I hate it. People on social media are downright weird sometimes, yeah. What does 2366815 mean? What level is it? 2366815. This is just a previous level of structure in the market, JR. This is where price is reacting at. So, what was your name again? God of Thunder. So, that money you've spent on TikTok, is that your money, bro? Or is that money you've earned through TikTok that you're spending back on TikTok? Because if you've gifted 200K of your own money, that's insane, brother. You must be like a Bitcoin billionaire or some shit. Do I have a classroom? Oh, there we go. There's the tap. There is the tap. Finally, we have the tap. Does this validate the move? Does this validate the move now? Does this validate the move for the unemployment claims? But look at this, right? There's that structure that was broken. This 30-minute candle did not come up and break the high. So we have at this point now lower highs and lows, right? And we have news in 5 minutes. We have got the hourly tap. Which way is it going to go? The break of structure? Break of structure, bearish move to the downside, or the hourly tap, the hourly close above, the tap in, and the continuation bullish. Tappity tap. If only you could buy gold and leave for a year. I'm pretty sure you can. There is ways for you to do that. What time frame? This is the hourly. God of Thunder asked before, what's my broker? Black Bull Markets, God of Thunder. Sorry, bro. There's a lot of comments, man. It's hard to keep up with them all. All right, let's watch the 5-minute time frame because we got about 3 minutes here until the news. Yeah, exactly, JL. It won't make it necessarily irrelevant, but the fact that we've tapped on the hourly now, right? The hourly is tapped. It could mean that this could be validating the move to the upside for news, right? Because if news comes out, less than 220, then that's going to be very good news for the US dollar, which means gold is going to go down. But if it comes out more, if the numbers come out more than 220, then you're going to see gold start shooting to the upside, which would give you the validation with the technicals as well that price is closed above the key level on hourlies, tap back in, then boom, you can get that. You can start getting that move back to the upside. So yeah, you can just because not FP markets anymore. Well, I've been looking for a broker, Tommy, where I can do like copy trading and things like that. And FP markets doesn't offer that, and Black Bull does. So I've been in contact with them for a little bit, trying to sort it out. What's my strategy? Price action. What's up, Zero? We got 2 zeros in the chat. All right, here we go. We got a minute left, 2 minutes left. Let's have a look at the previous. So on May 16, they forecasted for unemployment claims to decrease to 219, but it decreased to 222, which was around about the same. Then previous was 2. They forecasted 212. It came out 231, which was negative. So you would have seen gold start jumping. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. What do you guys think? Let's have some predictions right now. Let's have some predictions. Look at this. This 5-minute candle has... Oh no, there we go. It's moving in. That pretty much froze for a second. Bullish. Dump. Buy. Hope it dumps. Bearish. You look nervous? I'm not nervous. If you're talking about me biting my nails, I've been doing that since I was 15 years old. It's just a habit for me. It's a bad habit. Yeah, we've got a poll going right now. We've got a poll up. Vote in the poll. Yeah, this 5-minute candle is just like pretty much frozen at this point. It's just floating. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Here we go. We've tapped in again. The hourly has tapped in again. It's dumping. Let's have a look at the hourly real quick. Hourly. Previous hourly low has been broken. Oh, this is the 30, isn't it? What is it gonna be? The 30 is tapped back in, spiked out of these lows. Not much of a reaction yet. Not much of a reaction yet. Not even a high impact news. Well, it's a red folder news. School. It's a red folder news, so it's potentially a high impact news. Obviously not as much as like NFP and those kind of news events, but definitely brings some volume in. Let's have a look. What did it come out? Okay, so it came out positive for the US dollar, which means technically you should see a sell-off on gold. Technically, if the news is positive for the US, then you should see a sell-off on gold. Which would validate then the fact that the 30 has now broke structure, right? We have the 30-minute break of structure. You got bearish candles forming. You've got lower highs at this point, and then potentially now lower lows, which would then enable gold and this 30-minute candle to start selling off, which it's currently doing. I know fundamentals are attacking, but I'm just saying it's a red folder news, bro. That's it. That's all I said. Which is classed as high impact. Red folder news is classed as high impact, right? Look at this right here, Otaku. You go on Forex Factory, they say, bro, not me. Right? If you're gonna go, somebody go at Forex Factory. Email Forex Factory. Right here it says high impact expected, right? Red folder news, high impact expected. What is unemployment right now? Unemployment claims, it is USD. Red folder, high impact expected, right? Look, it says it right here. High impact expected, right? So you might want to go tell Forex Factory to learn about fundamentals. Bro's telling me I need to go learn fundamentals. Bro, don't shoot the messenger, you know what I'm saying? I'm just reading from the information from the website, bro. That's it. Mute? No, I'm not muted. Am I muted? No, I'm not muted. Yeah, it is Danny. Yeah, it is Danny. Try giving your nails really short. They are really short, Knox. Look at this. It doesn't get any more shorter than this, bro. All right, so now that we have the news come out and it is negative, right? Well, positive for the US dollar, which means negative for gold. I said no, mate, don't argue. Oh, nah, mad. Get him. Now we're selling off. Now we broke the structure. Also, hourly break of structure as well. How many trades do I get each week average? This week I've had one trade. Today's trade. Last week I had, what did I have last week? I think I had one trade last week as well. A couple trades last week. But when you've got decent capital, you don't need to focus on trading like 5 trades a day, right? Or even 1 trade a day. Yeah, last week I had wait. Yeah, last week I had 3 trades. 2 break evens and then a win. No. 3 break evens and a win, so 4 trades. All right, so let's see. Let us see what is happening right now. 2 hour has come down and tapped in over here at this point. As we can see, we tapped in there. 2 hour is still, at this point, 2 hours potentially still bullish, right? 2 hours potentially creating a bottom wick to continue bullish. I've got 23 minutes left though. The 4 hour candle has come down. Rejecting this level. We've got 22 minutes left of that as well. The hourly has broke structure, so we got to spike out the hourly lows right now, previous hourly lows, for break of structure. So at this point, now what we wanted to see is this level getting respected. So you want to start seeing closures below this level. As you can see, the 5 has closed below, and now it's come back up and tapped in. Right, so this level is tapped in on the 5. To validate this break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. So now we need to see prices tapped in. You got 2 minutes left of this 5-minute candle. Can it come down and flip bearish? Can it come down and flip bearish and start driving down into the next zone, which is down in here? Can this 5 flip bearish and start driving? About 27 pips down into that next zone. Hourly selling off. 2 hour level is here, right? That 2 hour level. The next level after that is so it tapped in both of these zones, right? Which is nice. You got validation of both of these levels. And if this carries on, I mean, look at this 4 hour now. You got 20 minutes left of this 4 hour. Can this 4 hour come down in the last 20 minutes and flip bearish and start breaking its own lows down here and continuing bearish? When does the 15 close? 15 closes in 5 minutes. No top wick, it could go back up. No top wick on what? Where was the no top wick? Alright, next 5 minutes. Next 5 minutes. I want to see this 4 hour. I want to see this 4 hour. Where's the current 4 hour lows? Down in here. Current 4 hour lows are down in here. Can it re-break the 4 hour lows? What do you guys think? Yeah, it's good for USD, which means gold, yeah, potentially sell off. Which would be a continuation of the current trend, right? Any tips or advice for someone wanting to start out growing social media through trading? Consistency, bro. Pick a lane and just stay consistent at it, because I've been doing content on trading on YouTube for like years now, right? And it's only just started picking up. Consistency, bro. That's all I can say. I know that's a very cliche saying, but it's really all that matters is the consistency. Consistency in everything in life is what is going to get you ahead. Consistency in every aspect of life is what's going to get you ahead, man. The 30's got no top. I mean, the 30 has a small top wick. All right, 2 minutes until the 15 closure, which would then be the hourly, give you the last 15 of the hourly. 2 hours has come back and tapped in this level, rejected. So you see how over the space of like the last, what, 2 hours, we've watched this and the bias just keeps flipping, right? The bias just keeps flipping, chopping and changing based on hourly closures. Based on hourly closures. So this then now would be like the closure above and the hourly fake out. And that was predetermined, right? I showed you guys that. It was predetermined by the break of structure on the 30 minute. Sorry, the break of structure on the 30 minute right here. This 30 minute candle came down, broke structure, broke out that 30 minute low, right? Remember, I showed you guys this current uptrend on the 30. High lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, high lows, right? And then this 30 minute candle right here came down and broke structure. Retraced slightly, then the 30 minute created a lower high and a low. And then for news, it's sold off, right? Am I going to stay for the next news? 11:45? Probably not. Probably not, my guy. No worries, Blake. mean, that 5-minute sell was decent, right? That would have been about 16 pips to the downside right there. This is the next level. I think it's got to tap. But 15 closures in 20 seconds. Where can the 15 come back up for a tap at this point? Where can the 15 retrace? Where can the 15 retrace? Into here, maybe? Just that level that just tapped into as well. What was that level? Where did that one come from? That came from the 2-hour highs, right? So yeah, you got like this overall level where you could look for the 15 to come back and retrace into. Create a top wick. Before continue bearish, potentially. If you're going to validate this move to the downside, I mean, it could just drive with all the volume that's coming in now, but in terms of entries, that 5 was a nice entry right here. All right, so we got the last 15 of the hourly. Now this is where it starts to get interesting. This is what we've waited all this time for clear direction. Clear direction in the market. Within the current trend, right? Because again, if you look at the overall trend on the 4-hour, on the 8-hour, on the daily, on the weekly, it's bearish right now, right? It's bearish. So now we have potential confirmation. With this current sell-off, right? That price is going to continue in this direction. And my session might be bullish to create another high after H4. Oh, Terrelin. Click the link in my profile, bro. User said shush. User was just like, yo, I'm sick of hearing you talk. Where are you from, God of Thunder? It should work. It should work for everybody. Ow. Plan? The plan is right now we're getting this sell-off, right? Looking at the 4-hour time frame, it's looking like this 4-hour candle now is potentially just creating a top wick. Can it flip bearish in the next 11 minutes? I doubt it. It could drive down and leave a strong rejection here, so that would then enable this next 4-hour potentially, the fact that we've come up and tapped in this level, which is what we was waiting for. I'd say we've got a 4-hour closure in 10 minutes, right? Obviously now we're gonna have to wait for the 4, but this hourly candle is nice. We want this hourly candle obviously to close in the next 10 minutes below this level. There's a high chance at this point it can. We broke structure. You know, I was looking for this 15 to come back and tap in here maybe, right? This level, if you have a look to the left hand side. Once prices come down and close below this level, you can see if I give you this example right here, right? If I give you this example right here, look at the bearish closures below this level over here, right? Look at the bearish closures here, first of all, with this bearish candle, and here with this bearish candle, right? You have a look at these closures, what happens after it? You get the taps in here and you get the taps in here of these candles. And then eventually you get the sell-off, right? Look at these candles then after that. Once you get the taps, price starts to sell off, right, to the downside, like, you know, down in here, you know, 80 pips also, right? So just looking at that previous price action, once price closes below here and you get the taps into these levels, you can potentially then get the sell-off. But if it doesn't tap in, look what happens when it doesn't tap in, right? Right here, this 15-minute candle came down, this bearish candle. This next candle didn't tap in, and then price came straight back up and closed back above this level, right? And then once it got the taps in, closed below, got the taps in, that's when then you get the sell-off to the downside in here, right? So feel it. Let's go, Jack. I hope this 15-minute close bearish. Why? Man, I just know these YouTube songs off by heart now. I'm just singing them in my head. Can we hit this target though? This was from the 5-minute. Do I scalp? Yeah, scalp. This was from the 5-minute. This 5-minute entry was beautiful. That would have been about a 27 pip target. 2360515 is the overall target here. That was beautiful. The 5-minute validated that break of structure beautifully, right? You can see the break of structure right here. 5-minute bearish candle coming all the way down. And then this next 5 comes all the way back up, taps in it, and then flips bearish, breaks the previous 5 lows, and then boom. Is it a playlist? Yeah, it's a YouTube playlist, Jack. It's like a free YouTube playlist that is like copyright free, so you don't get any copyright strikes or anything. Can you explain can you explain where you position your stop after the tap? After which tap, Tim? Which tap are you talking about? Are you talking about this one? Or are you talking about the tap in here? You have TradingView now, Ahmad? Alright, bro. I'll send you through the link, bro. What country you at? Melbourne. Well, Australia, but yeah, I'm in Melbourne. Joe, we're just waiting on the 4-hour closure now. 4-hour closure in 6 minutes. What's up, Tokyo? I'm good, bro. How are you, man? XAUUSD? Yeah, this is XAUUSD. Bum 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 bum. What's up, Croatia? This is setting up now. Nice, if we get the taps, not quite. Tap after 15. We was waiting for. Oh, so yeah, once if you got the taps in the 15 in this area, right? Then if you got the taps and then the 15 came back down and broke the lows, right? So if, for example, if this 15, current 15 came up and tapped in here and then come down and started breaking the lows, your entry would be on the break of those lows, right? And then your stop would be above the wick, the current wick, because at that point, you validate the top wick being formed, rejecting off of a key level, right? Tapping in, then breaking the lows. So at that point, you're creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So if price breaks the low at that point, and we've tapped into a key level to create a top wick, then at that point, technically, if you're just, you know, thinking of normal price action, price shouldn't come back up to here. It should just continue driving down into the next level, right? DPs will just be down at your key levels, right? So you look at your different time frames and see what's happening. One would be here, and the other one would be here. So 2360 515 and 235 1985. But first of all, you would have needed those taps, right? But this was the sell, guys. This was my position from earlier, right? And it was perfect. This 15 came down right here, closed below. The next 15 came in, tapped that key level. So this was the key level that I had, right? The next 15 came in and tapped that previous that key level, and then flipped bearish and started breaking the previous low. So at that point, right, entry would be here, stops above that current 15, because at that point, once we've created a top wick and rejected a key level and broke the previous lows, theoretically price should just continue down at that point, right? And as you can see, price drove down like 93 or so pips over a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that was the clean setup for today, right? And this was in my trading window, this green highlight area right here. It was within my trading window. This is the only time I look to trade my live account. Obviously, we're doing analysis right now on the charts with you guys for some, you know, educational purposes only. But this would have been the trade today. This was the perfect setup. Absolutely textbook perfect setup. Closed my buys before the sales, then did short sell all the profits, so I'm waiting now. Nice, bro. This tune aligns with my mind. You took this trade as well, Jack? This trade right here? Nice, bro. Yeah, the indicator called these sales to the downside as well today. The indicator called the sales on the 30-minute during the trading window. You can see this one right here would have ran for about 34 pips. And then this sell right here for 62 pips. Australia, mate, keep, give viewer and teaching and share. Everyone support you from Malaysia. Let's go, Charlie. Oh yeah, you should definitely not be trading during CPI. Holy. All right, here we go. There we go, guys. The new 4-hour candle has opened. The new 4-hour candle has opened. We've tapped into previous fours here. What's the indicator called? You'll find it on my website, Frank. Click the link in my profile. You'll find it on my website, Frankie boy. Frankie boy, Frankie boy. All right, so now 4-hour candle. First of all, let's check the daily, right? The daily has continued, breaking previous daily lows by 200 pips. We've tapped into this key level over here now, okay? We've tapped into this key level. So, okay, I see it. I see it now. I see the vision. What I'm looking for is for the 4-hour okay. 12 hours, still got 8 hours left. So what can this 8-hour candle do? The 8-hour candle currently, the current 8-hour candle ended up closing bearish, right? But we're at this support level right now. We're at this key level still, right? We're still at this key level. We need to remember that because this is from the weekly time frame, right? This is the previous weekly open, okay? Key level in the market. This is where price opened last week, right? And moved bullish and started driving up. So potential, a lot of buying power in here, okay? So we definitely have to be very wary of this level. The next level down, of course, from the weekly perspective will be in here. And then, of course, beyond that will be down here. But as of right now, 12 has created a top wick. 12 has room to continue bearish. 8. The 4. So the 4 is currently coming back down for taps in this level again. Previous 2 come up. Where would the 4 come back from? Level potentially. All right. So I want to see price come back up into this level. 2365, 685. First of all, we have 4 hours left. We have 4 hours left. This 4-hour candle, it's only just open, okay? So there's a lot of time right here, but if the 4-hour is going to continue bearish, I think we need to come validate this area first of all, this level right here, right? Pull back into 2365, 685, okay? That's not a lot. It's not a lot in terms of a 4-hour top wick. It's about 28 pips, all right? 28 pips. If you think about this previous 4-hour candle top wick, this was 67 pips, right? So if we're thinking about this 4-hour candle continuing bearish, about a 27, 28 top wick is good, right? Tap into this break of structure level now on the hourly time frame, right? Because look at the hourly again. High lows, high lows, high lows, higher lows, okay? So we need to validate this area first of all. We're almost in there already, okay? We're almost in this area. Potentially even a spike up back into 2366815, okay? Then you want to see rejection in here. In terms of entries, once you get that tap in, here, or again, further up in here, then you want to see price start to come back down, because obviously, like I said, we're going from the 4-hour time frame now. So we got 4 hours to look for this trade, right? We got 4 hours for a potential trade here. And once you get that tap, you want to see price start coming back down. And then you can start looking at closures below here. First of all, let's have a look at the 15. 15 isn't that clean. Neither is the 30. It was really the 1-hour time frame. So first of all, once you get those taps, looks like we're getting them right now. Potentially, there we go. Then you want to see price start coming down back below these areas, right? Then you can start to look for closure below. So you can look for a 15 closure below here, right? 15 closure below, a tap in, and a continuation bearish. Down into the next level, which is 2354985, right? This is what is this? About 55, 56 pip range. Alternatively, we have a previous bullish 4-hour candle, and we have previous 4-hour highs, okay? And if we start closing above these areas now, these areas right here, right? You want to see taps. So again, you start closing above here, you want to see price coming back in, tapping in, right? And then we can start looking for buys above here. 2369495. Well, I can start looking for buys, not financial buys. All right, don't ban me TikTok. Once you get that, once you start getting the closures above these levels, right, entries can then be above 2369495. Me personally, that's what I'm looking at, right? For a tap in and then a drive. And I will look at entries like, with a break above the highs right here. That's if price just continues here, right? Because again, we've got, and this is what I talked about earlier. You got a bullish 4-hour candle. You got a bullish previous 4-hour candle, right? You're tapping on a key support level from the weekly time frame. Okay, so you got a strong support from the weekly, you got a bullish 4-hour close, and this level got broken today, this key level. You can see this 4-hour candle came down, broke through this level, and it didn't get validated, it didn't get tapped back into, right? So above this 4-hour high, that would be the target. It's about a 55 pip range, right, which is 2374995. We're tapping in. We're seeing a bit of rejection right now, okay? So that is the 2 ways for you, okay? 2 ways. That is what I'm looking at. Not financial advice. This is some analysis that I am looking at. Okay? So it would be above 2369495, okay? You want to see a nice closure above. Back in, and then a drive to the upside and a break of the highs, okay? In terms of the sells, which we talked about, which I'm looking at, it would be with a close below this level, a tap, and a drive down into the next level. All right, that's what I'm seeing right now. That's what I'm seeing right now, because it's very, usually I don't like to have like bias in both directions. But as I've just said, right now we're at a very critical level, right? The market prices come down to a very strong weekly level and bounced off it. So you could see a pullback, right, into these key levels that I talked about recently, which haven't been validated yet. But the market overall is very, very bearish. If you're looking at all the high time frames, like look at the 4-hour time frame right now, very bearish. So it could just continue to sell off here, right? So again, it just comes with validations at this point. It comes with validations. We've tapped into these levels now, both of these levels, right? Both levels that I mentioned, we've tapped in now. This 4-hour candle has tapped in, right? So like I said, if it starts flipping bearish, coming below these levels, now that validates the sells, right? We've tapped in. Tapped in. Nice 20 pips. Let's go, Ben. It will give you during the trading window. So as you can see, Ahmad, today it gives some 30-minute signals here during the first trading window, right? Okay, this sell which dropped for about 34 pips, and then this sell which dropped for 62 pips. And as you can see, there is no signals in here because it's outside of the trading windows. What's the 5 doing here? What's the 5 doing? 5 rejected, now the next 5 is coming up. 4-hour has a bottom wick. Did it tap into this area? We're pretty much tapped in there. Pretty much tapped in. You got 3 minutes till this 15 closure. Let's see. Did I trade today? Yeah, I took a trade today, ZK. The trade I took today is right here. It was those sales that I talked about just before on the stream. 15-minute breakout. Tony caught it as well. Made 200 USD. Seal slapped it today with the indicator, man. As always. 110 pips on the 5-minute sell signal. This is the beauty of trading, right? Sometimes you can sit here for hours trying to get an entry, and sometimes you'll get on the charts and within 10 minutes you'll get the entry and you'll be done. What broker? Blackball. How'd you get the indicator? Reso, the link will be in the description below, bro, in the YouTube channel. Or it's in the chat somewhere. You'll see it in the chat by the Streamlabs. What's up, Tony? You still here, bro? The Telegram link, you'll find that there as well, Wayne. The music done again. Have we really listened to this playlist twice now? Oh my god, we have. About that time. It's about that time. Your third sell? Sheesh, Jack. Oh, nice, Tony. Let's go, bro. Just follow. Let's go, Avalon. 9 game. Appreciate the follow. On hip hop music, I can only put music from YouTube, bro. I don't want to get copyrighted. Trader Z, Simeon, Malik, Tony. Appreciate the follows on TikTok. All right, Ahmad. Appreciate you, bro. I'll send you the link. You know what? I'll send it right now, bro. I'll send it right now, broski. You put in some good work today, bro. You're putting some good work today, Ahmad. I appreciate you, bro. The TikTok chat is not easy. Yo, Ahmad, can you message me on Instagram or something? Because I know TikTok doesn't like the links. TikTok's just weird, man. Yeah, I saw that, Tony. Nice little 200 profit, man. Appreciate that, Evie. Or is it a buy? It's not really anything yet. Yeah, I do have a Telegram. You'll find it in the link in my profile. What time frame am I in now? The 15. Yo, Brain Shop. I appreciate the 34 diamonds, my brother. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I got it, bro. I got it. I got it, Ahmad. Yo, what the... Yo, Brain X Shop. I appreciate you, bro. God damn, the 334 diamonds in the chat. Holy shit, bro. I appreciate that, man. You're going crazy, brother. You are going absolutely berserk, and I'm here for it. You howled all the way to TP1. Let's go. Alright, guys, just think about it, right? I made 580 with this trade. It's the least I could do. Let's go. God damn, bro. 580. My guy. Sheesh. Bling, bling. Appreciate you, bro. Time to put those diamonds on your watch. Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I was at the mall the other day and I saw this like jewelry shop, and they had all, you know how they have all the watches like on display. I just stood there for like 10 minutes just looking at them like, should I? But I can't be spending my money on watches, man. Brain X, yo, the diamonds are just flowing, my guy. They keep coming. Holy shit, almost 400. I'm up 1% this week and I'm done for the week. Let's go, Alwyn. Outside of trading, what's one of your goals you're trying to accomplish this year? Outside of trading, one of the goals I'm trying to accomplish this year is probably like the business, right? The YouTube aspect of things. Like I've been trying to grow my YouTube channel for like the last 3 years now. So staying consistent with that, building businesses on the side, like the education, some other things I've been thinking about. Just continuing to build businesses, and I want to start looking at investments, like property investments. You know, like I potentially want to get a couple like apartments or something in the city, and start like renting those out or doing Airbnb or something like that. Just different sources of income, man. Different sources of income. That is my goal outside of trading. Real estate, yeah, exactly. GJ, what did you say? GJ, what? GJ's breaking above the zone you mentioned. All right, let's have a look. GJ, oh, look at these buys on GJ right here on the 15. 16 pips. 7 pips. All right. The 30 closed above. Very nice. But the 30 didn't tap in. You see that? You see that? The 30 didn't tap in yet. 30 didn't tap in. Neither did the hourly. What was that level? Previous daily. You got the 4 hour. You got the 4 hour though. The previous 4 hour high. Let's have a look. Did that tap in? No. So that could be the next level we're looking at. Obviously, you gotta watch out for this over here. Serious rejection came in here, which was, I don't even know what that was. What is that? Like in this rejection wick somewhere to the left. It's like from this area in here somewhere. So you got to watch out for that. This could also be a level where you can look for buys above. But yeah, so the third, so we closed above that level. We didn't get the tap in, but price is driving. The 15 did give a buy signal right here, the 15-minute time frame. Price is pushing. Did you get tapped on the 5 at least? No, you got tapped on the 5. You got taps on the 5 from both these levels. So this could have been potential 5-minute entries. The entries would have, to give examples of the entries I'm looking at, would have been in here, right? So you get the closure above here, the 5-minute closure above, right? The next 5-minute candle comes in and taps right in here. Boom. Taps in that key level and then breaks the previous high. So your entry would be something like this. Your stops would be on the lows of those 5s. What would that be? Like a 5 pip stop if you wanted to be safe, right? And then obviously you target whatever these previous highs over here potentially, right to the left hand side, where price rejected from most recently. And then again you get this, you get the same thing over here. You get the 5 closure above, then price comes down and taps back into this level on that next 5-minute right here. Entry would be here, stops would be below that 5, which again would be about 5 pips on GJ, 6 pips maybe to be safe. And then again you'd have another entry there, and again you could target up in here again, like in this rejection level somewhere. Yo, Alwyn, that's sad as hell, bro. My dad was in real estate before leaving us. That's sad, man. Sorry to hear about that, brother. Sorry to hear about that, my guy. That sucks, man. But yeah, that's what I want to get into as well. The real estate, some real estate investments. Am I fasting? What do you mean am I fasting? I don't know, I'm not fasting. Yo, Brain, you're still going. Holy shit, bro. You're still going with the diamonds, my guy. Still going with the diamonds. There's the 1 hour. This level is from over here. That level is from that level currently. Plus 30-minute highs. All right, we've got 4 minutes here. 4 minutes until a 30-minute closure. Let's see. Let's see. Why the 4 hours bullish? What are you talking about? Gold, JDN? It's talking about the current structure. Look on the 4 hour time frame. The current structure is now bullish, right? Because you've got a bullish previous candle. You've got lows down here, higher lows, highs, and now higher highs potentially. Right? It's just talking about the current structure. The current momentum is bullish. And the current structure is bullish, right? The overall obviously is bearish, right? That's why you're seeing the daily bearish. Johnny in the TikTok chat said, "Oi, where's it going?" Oh, he's there. He is there. He just left us homeless. Now he married to someone. Oh, shit. I thought you meant like he's not before leaving us. Like he passed away, bro. But that's still sad. That's still sad, bro. Okay, so the 15 tapped into the previous 4 hour highs. Now it's rejecting all the way down. Like, yeah, like at this point, like, delete this at this point because that's just been, I mean, it has tapped in on the hourly, right? If the hourly starts rejecting at this point, you know what? We'll leave it. We'll leave it there because it could come into play a little bit later. But this 15 is tapped in, rejected. So now again, it goes from the buys, it's flipped back from the buys to now the sells again, right? This is just the beauty of the Forex market gold. So now it comes down again to closures below this level like we talked about earlier, right? We was either looking for closures above here for buys or closures below here for sells. I was, personally, not financial advice. So you had a 3 minutes there to the 30 closure. Price came up, rejected. Now it's rejected all the way back down. So now at this point, you'd be waiting for price. If price is going to reject this level, close back below these levels and start coming down and closing below this level, which is 2360, 515, then you'd be looking at bomb, bomb, bomb in here, down to that next level, all right? I got the same idea as you, but I gotta get this shit going with Forex and pass the challenge. I feel once I do that, it will all come into place for me. Yeah, oh, for sure, Tony. Keep grinding, man. You know, life is just an endless grind, bro. An endless grind. You just gotta enjoy it along the way. Just do it with a smile on your face, you know? That's the best you can do. Do everything you can with a smile on your face, man, and just enjoy the process. Because at the end of the day, you know, like no matter how much you stress about things or how much you worry about things, you're going to be going in the same direction, right? It doesn't matter if you stress about it or worry about it, or whether you do it with a smile on your face, you're still going to have to do it, right? So that's the way I like to look at things, man. In your academy, do you teach your strategy? Yeah, Eri. In the temporalities of the 4 and 1 hour, there is an imbalance of 2404. Okay. All right, Brainex. So the 2 and the 1. The 4 and the 1. Sorry, not the 2 and the 1. The 4 and the 1. Yeah, are you talking about this right here? You talking about this area right here? Brainex. Yesterday is the no trading day. It's just going sideways now. Yeah, it's going sideways at the moment, but like this 4 hour now, you know, if this 4 hour can start flipping bearish, yeah, this is going to be good. There we go. We just had 30-minute closure, so the 30-minute closed. We came back up and tapped in those previous 4 hour highs, spiked out, maybe, you know, grab some liquidity above this level, spiked out of here, closed back below these areas. This is also the 1 hour break of structure level. So remember, right at the start of this hourly in this 4 hour candle, we said, well, I said, I want to see price come back up into this break of structure level, because now we've broke this structure. Now we've tapped in and validated it, right? Even though we've come all the way up and broke the 4 hour highs. Now we've tapped in. Now this hourly can flip bearish, the 4 hour can flip bearish, and we can look now for this range below here, right, to be filled. That would be the next move down. If price is going to continue bearish, right? That's if price is going to continue bearish and close below this area, then this is the range that is going to be filled. Very simple. But at the moment, you know, what can I do? There's nothing I can do here. Price is just ranging in between, you know, in between these levels. So we need a breakout above here or a breakout below here. That's it. Now this 15 needs to come back. This 15 needs to come back into 2365, 685, and then continue bearish. That's what needs to happen next. Ryan, bro, that's my indicator, bro. You'll find that in the link in my profile, my guy. Mr. Ryan. No worries, bro. M. Pella, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Jeez, man, this thing is just jumping around. Do you trade mostly based on price action? Yeah, pretty much, Mustafa. Damn, bros. I only have one friend. She was everything for me, but she left too, and she cheated on me, and now I'm back again. I'm on my shit with full focus. Let's go, Alwyn. I love that, bro. I love that, bro. If somebody cheats on you, man, you don't need that. You don't need that person in your life. No matter how much you love them, no matter how much you think your life is gonna be with that person, if they cheat on you, bro, that person isn't worth your time, man. That person is not worth your time. USD weak. USD is based off the most current news, the unemployment claims. USD is gaining, should be gaining strength over the over gold. What did George say? Hi bro, just got into trading, made 200 on my first month. What's your top tips? Johnny said, take the 200 and run. Oh, that's funny. Ryan said buy funded. My opinion would be, if you've just got into trading and you've made 200, where's your comment? Just got into trading, made my first 200. My tips would be, don't expect those kind of returns and results indefinitely, right? So my tips would be to, do you have a solid strategy? Do you have a solid trading plan? There's so many things that goes into being a successful trader, and the fact that you've only just got into trading, you've made 200, could be, I'm not saying it is, but it could be a bit of beginner's luck. Like, we all come into trading at first and we make our first like couple $100 and we go, man, like, this is easy. I can, like, fuck, I just made $200. Like, this time next year, I'm gonna be a millionaire, man. I'm gonna have Lambos. We all go through that process, right? But it's about the consistency over the long haul that really separate you. So my advice would be to just chill a little bit, understand why and how you made $200. Is it valid? Is how you made $200 valid enough for you to continue trading, right? Like, over the next 2 years and make 200 again and again and again and again, right? And you do that by doing back testing, journaling your trades, things like that, and just focus on like the consistency, right? Focus on the consistency, journaling your trades, enjoying the process, understanding all the things that come into being a trader, and try and like stay down to earth a little bit. Don't just see the fact that you've made 200 this month and get like excited and overwhelmed and all those emotions. Yeah, I agree. Takes time. I've lost some and won some. I've just been risk management. Oh, that's good, George. That's good, man. So that's a good start already. What do I mean by journaling my trades? Journaling every trade you take, right? So, for example, with the journal I use, this is what journaling your trades will be, right? Every trade you take, you journal, you write down. Right here. So you say what date it was, what time it was, what session it was, London, pre-London, New York, what pair it was, whether it was a buy or a sell, the type of setup it was, the entry type, the time frame used, the risk that you used, the lot size you used, the links. Leave a link in there to the chart from TradingView so you can go back and look at it like I have over here. And then you input your data, right? So how many pips you made or lost, whether it was a loss, win, or break even, how much money you made, the percentage that it was, right? The percentage win or loss that it was. And that's how you journal your trades. And that's how you're going to be able to really understand if your strategy and your system works over a long period of time, because then you get stats like this, right? So far this year, this is my journal so far this year. 67 wins, 34 losses, 9 break-evens. A 66.34% win rate, 194% account gain, and over 700 pips secured. And then it goes down into each setup type and tells you the percentage, the win rate of that setup. So type 2 and type 1 is the most, the highest win rate for me. And then it breaks down your months as well. So January was a very average month, slow month. I took a lot of trades, but I only had a 49% win rate. February, I took 23 trades, 74% win rate. March, 16 trades, 69% win rate. April, 20 trades, 82% win rate. And May so far, 15 trades for an 80% win rate. And then it tells you as well, like which entry time frame is the most accurate for me, right? Which session is the most accurate for me? Obviously, the pre-London is going to take the biggest hit because that's when I take most of my trades, right? Pre-London, I've had 61 trades. Every trade I've taken in New York session has been a winning trade. Every trade I've taken in Asia session has been a winning trade. So yeah, that's what is journaling your trades. When is this next news? The fact that gold is just doing this now, right? It's rejecting up and then coming back down and rejecting up and coming back down. Consolidating a little bit. If we have a look at the 5-minute time frame here, we can see a lot of consolidation. So when is this next news? 11:45. Oh, it's in 4 minutes. Okay. So we got news. Okay, we got more news now in 4 minutes. So we might as well stay around and watch how this goes. That could be why we're seeing consolidation here. What's happening now, Riso, is we're just awaiting confirmation, right? We're waiting confirmation of either sales below here or buys above here. But right now, seems to be no volume. Even though we're in New York session, there's no volume. Price is ranging, obviously now because of the news. Okay, we got news in about 3 minutes, so we'll wait for that now. Where can we check news? Forex Factory. Do you teach how to trade from zero, or you just teach a strategy, of course? Both, Mustafa, from zero and the strategy. But the academy is not, the indicator is available right now, but the academy isn't. It's going through some. I've decided to take it down momentarily. The people who have access to it still have access to it, but yeah, I don't know, man. I'm a bit skeptical about sharing my strategy to a lot of people, or like, you know, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. So the people who have access to it now will always have access to it, but I don't know if I'm going to allow any more people to join. But you can get the indicator. The indicator is basically my strategy coded into an indicator, which gives you entries, which gives you like entries, buy sell entries. But you just don't know how it works, right? So you can use it, but you don't know how it works. What do you record your trade with? That is Google Sheets. Google Doc. What is it? Yeah, Google Sheets. What is GJ doing? Okay, GJ came above. Indicator said sell, yeah, but LIT, that's an invalid entry. That wouldn't have been an entry anyway, because the entry would have come below this level, right? The entry would have been down here somewhere. But the entry didn't get triggered. So that's an invalid sell. So you wouldn't have taken that trade anyway. Whereas the 30 minutes were valid, right? Because the 30 minutes broke the previous 30-minute low. See these are valid entries, right? Because you get the sell signal and then the signal candle breaks the previous 30 low. So that's a valid entry right there. All right, we got news. Let's have a look. Let's see how news reacts right now. All right. What is news gonna do right here? Do we get a spike? Okay, there we go. That's it. Very nice. Okay, so now let's have a look at the one, because the one is what we're watching. Look at this 1 hour time frame now. Okay, we've tapped back in. We talked about these taps back in this area. Okay, we tap back in that break of structure level, the pink, the purple line. We broke previous hourly lows now. Let me see the news real quick. What happened? Positive data. Okay, both positive. So we've had all positive data on USD today. Look, all positive data on all the red folder events. So gold should just continue to sell off right now. I look nervous? I'm not nervous. Why do I look nervous? Why does everyone always say I look nervous? Is it because I bite my nails? That's just a bad habit. I've been doing that since I was 15, man. Probably even younger than that. Ashwin, Jay, appreciate the follows. How accurate is the indicator if you know how to use it? It's pretty accurate. Obviously, you're not going to win every single trade. There's winning trades, there's losing trades, but I mean, it's pretty accurate. Choppy day, yeah. There's been some news today, Tommy. So you know, it is what it is. So let's see. We got 5-minute closures here in 3 minutes. But we got no top wick on this 5. Okay. All right, I guess it's just gonna come down and fill this whole range. So if that's the case, two, 3, 5, 4, 9, 8, 5 is the target, and we're gonna come and tap in this level. Done for today, 100 win, held it for 1 full hour. Thanks a lot, Cody. Go, let's go, Mario. All right, Tommy, appreciate you, bro. Thank you for stopping by as usual. Let's go, my brother. So where was your trade, Mario? Tap, tap. Tappity tap. There we go. So there's the full target tap. This was the target for sales. Yeah, Riso, it happens, bro, around high impact news. Some brokers just go crazy. 2365. You entered in here. Factor, appreciate the follow. John Works, edits, appreciate the follow. Damn, Mario, nice, bro. That's some good patience, man. Hit TP, yeah, came down and tapped in there perfectly. I mean, yeah, there's potential, Alec, but right now, like, I wouldn't be too worried about the 15. Sorry, the 5 minute. I mean, the 15 has no top wick either, but I mean, I'm not necessarily worried about it at this point because of news. If it happened without news, then yeah. If this top wick happened, no top wick happened without news, then yeah, I'd be looking at potential price going back up. Because it happened during news, then I'm not really too focused on it. You can see the you know, the rejections in here anyway. There's a lot of rejection in these areas, so all right, now look at that 4 hour. Beautiful. There's that previous 4 hour low. What happened there? Yeah, I mean, that's it. That's the range build. I mean, the next level down after that is like 2, 3, 4, 6, 830. But guys, I did say, right, if gold is going to start selling off at this point to line up with the monthly, right, and this monthly is gonna flip bearish and continue bearish and break previous monthly lows, then it's got to start happening like ASAP, like now. And look, we're starting to get that sell off now. So I wish I could bring it up real quick for you guys, but I literally, yeah. It's that time, guys. My eyes are starting to hurt. Oh. So this is the pivotal point right now. This level down here. Break of structure on the weekly perspective. You guys think we can tap in here? I think we can tap in here this week. But yeah, I mean, again, unfortunately, because of the news, there was just no clear entries at this point. Like I said, this was the range I was looking at for entries, right? Take to the downside. But because of news, price just came in and filled this range within one 5-minute candle. So there's not much you can really do about that. So that's the move, right? That's the move we've been waiting for right here. Now under these levels, I mean, I'm not too sure unless you start to get, I mean, this 5's got no top wick, and now this 5's got no top wick. So you got 15 closure in 6 minutes. You could potentially, you've even got hourly closure in. All right, so yeah, if the hourly depends in the next 6 minutes how this hourly drives, right? If this hourly again just starts driving in the next 6 minutes and comes down and fills this range as well, right? Fills this range as well, then it's done. It's done for the day, right? But if this hourly closes, if this hourly starts to pop back up now and leaves a bit of a bottom wick here and closes up here somewhere, then you can anticipate the next hourly candle tapping back in here and continuing bearish down into that next level, right? So you want to tap into 2354985. You would then get the break of the lows, right? And you would look to come down back into this next level. But anyway, guys, that's the analysis now, right? Sales below here. In my not financial advice, for educational purposes only. TikTok. Where can you get news? Forex Factory. But what I would potentially, what I'm potentially looking at for my Forex studies. Don't ban me, TikTok. Is a closure below here now on the hourly in 5 minutes. Right, so a closure below 2355. No, 2354985. Right, hourly closure below, tap back in, and a drive down into the next level. Why is this level? This is the previous 4-hour lows. Breakup structure, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Those breakup structure levels are just beautiful. 2 hour, where's the 2 hour? 2 hours here. Closure below. The last data is coming now. You really helped a lot. Let's go, Charles. Port news was at 3. Damn, Jay. Mustafa, it's not that it's not working. It is working, but it's just not available right now. It's not available to people. The indicator is still available, but not the education. It was only meant for a limited amount of people. So at this point, you know, I don't want the whole world to know how I trade, you know? I want to keep it small. But we said it was going up. I said if we closed above this level, it can continue bullish, right? But it didn't close above this level. And then I said if it closed below this level, we continue bullish. We continue bearish. Helen, in the description below this video, you'll see the link. I don't teach now. I do. Sam, I've got existing members that. Yeah, he's wrong. All right, Chelsea Fines. Nice chatting with you, mate. See you later. I still have existing that I am obviously, you know, there'll be updates to it, but at the moment I'm deciding not to. Yeah, I just don't want. Like I said, I don't want the whole world to know my strategy at this point. Just a select few people. You know what? I'm just blocking that guy. Fuck that guy. No negative vibes in the chat, alright? If you bring any negative vibes in the chat, you're getting blocked straight away. I'm fed up. You ever tried funding account? Nah, I haven't. I haven't, feds. Thanks, Cody. You're helping me heaps. Really understanding a lot more. Let's go, Bodhi. Appreciate that, bro. I'm a newbie trader. Is it a good choice to trade on it? On the funded account? No. Wait, there's more news. Oh my god, there is more news. Just endless. Where can you get news? Reso, the Forex factory, bro. Forex factory. You should come to South Africa. We owe you a lot. Let's go, Damien. Yo, God of Thunder is still in the chat. What's up, God? Let's see the news. What happened with this news here? Give me the news. Okay, so we finally got some negative news on the US dollar, but mainly all positive, right? The red folder news were positive, the orange folder news negative. So at this point, man, like, it's just, look at this 4-hour candle. Look at this 4-hour candle. At this point, it's GG's, boys. It's done. The day is done. All right. At this point, the day is done. The one thing I can say is this hourly candle did close below the previous 4-hour lows, right? Did close below the previous 4-hour lows. This hourly. So now it's come back up. It's come for taps, right? Come for taps in here and in here. So if this hourly starts flipping bearish, then there's a chance it can come back into the downside. But the hourly did not close below here, so no entry below there yet. Like I said, if this hourly has created the top wick now, right? This is a beautiful top wick for the hourly candle. If it flips bearish, coming down, potentially even down into here. Low-key come to SA, it's lit. Another live stream? Yeah, well, I'll be live tomorrow. Think I'm falling in love with you on live stream. Helping me so much navigate the market. Let's go, feds. SA is lit. SA is like that. Understanding quite a lot on price action. Let's go, feds. I love that, bro. What is this level? Is this previous weekly lows? This one down here? No, that's previous weekly lows. Can't tell where your accent's from. Birmingham. Right now, El Khani, there's no mentorship. Right now, there's not. But there is, you know, there is the indicator, which is coded based on my strategy. Nice, there we go. So there's the sell-off that I 47 pips and counting. Tapped into this level now, guys, so just be careful, right? Price can reject off here just like the previous hourly did. Okay, look at this previous hourly, tapped into this level and rejected, so just be careful. That was about, what's that, about 47 pips. You would enjoy South Africa. I live in Cape Town. I think you would never want to leave after seeing it. You think so? You think so? $30 seconds, 40 pips, done. Nice. Let's go, Ben. When you watch Sidemen, I always think you're part of them. I had a best mate. Your voice is so gentle. What the fuck? No, I don't, Feds. The indicator does, though. The indicator does, man. Just like in here today, right? 1, 2. Would have caught in total about 34, about 90, about 95 pips in total. After I'm live Monday to Friday. What's the indicator? You'll find the indicator on my website, SJ. The link is in my TikTok profile. But yeah, you know what? I'm going to leave you guys with that move. That was a beautiful move right there. Beautiful move of about 50 pips. Potential to continue down into the next level. Obviously, you'd have to validate that then with lower time frame closures below this level on the 15. A 15-minute time frame, right? So closures below here now on the 15. You can look to continue down and fill this range now, which is about an 82 pip range. All right. Alkani, it's coded on my strategy, bro. So it will give you entries, key levels, trading windows, stop loss, entry, take profit 1, take profit 2 levels, all based on my strategy. It's basically my strategy coded into an indicator for TradingView. So that way I don't have to, you know, really give my strategy away and give all the bit of information away. I can keep that to myself, but I can still give it to you guys and you guys can use it, right? So it's called Forex with Cody Algo Volume 4. If you guys are interested, you'll find it on my website. The link is in my TikTok profile. Yeah, you can, Alkani. What was that question? I saw a question in here. Thank you. Top the tap was a good one. Let's go, Damien. Mustafa, it gives you take profit levels, bro. It gives you all the levels: stop loss, entry, take profit levels. You sound like you're from Brum. Yeah, I am from Brum, SJ. Birmingham. He's basically code is trading, but not giving away all his tricks of the trade so no one can sell it. Yeah, exactly, Ty, exactly. But yeah, that was the move down right there, guys. That was the move down. Once we tapped in here, taps, boom, move down into that next level. Beautiful. Price drove down, yeah, 50 or so pips. But again, doesn't look like you're going to get the 15 closure below here. Now you got 5 minutes for a 15 closure below this level, but price is rejecting here now and it's pushing back up. But anyway, guys, nice Jack Black. Let's go, bro. What time we'll meet tomorrow? Same time, 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard. Where can you find the news? Forex Factory. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out, man. I appreciate you guys, man. Today was crazy. 851 followers on the TikTok. I'm on TikTok most days at 8 just for you. Ah, Ty. Thank you, bro. 45,000 likes. 526 diamonds. Yo, mental. Sorry, I missed that. Mental, thank you for the diamonds. Rain, X, Airy. Man, so many diamonds today, man. I appreciate you guys. You guys went crazy. You guys went crazy. So do you learn trading online or how to attend to physical class? Myself, Feds. Online just by staring at the charts, bro. Just by staring at the charts. When I first got into trading, it was like at a time in my life where I could spend a lot of time watching the charts. So I spent like 10 plus hours a day just staring at candles, trying to figure out what the hell is going on. Sometimes direct, sometimes I do, sometimes most of the time I scalp, but sometimes I do swing. What's your indicator? Salute. You'll find it the link in my profile, bro, on my website. It's an indicator based on my strategy. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm gonna go 3 hours and 37 minutes. I think it's the longest stream I've ever done. Thanks for the analysis, Cody. Appreciate you. Appreciate you trying me soon. Try me soon. Try me soon. Appreciate you, man. All right, guys. That was really helpful. Thank you, Feds. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you for all the kind words. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we'll look for some more trades again. I shouldn't say that. Sorry, TikTok. I'll take that back. This is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. All right, TikTok. Tomorrow I'll be live doing some analysis again, looking at the charts and seeing what is happening. But again, look, this 15-minute closure in about 2 minutes, right? 15-minute closure in about 2 minutes. Below this level, 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 8, 5. Look for a closure below, a tap, and then a continuation once then those lows are broken. All right, simple. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. Peace out. Appreciate you. Thank you for all the follows, diamonds, likes. Let's get it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. See you later, YouTube.